Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Edith and I'm super excited for today's video. Today we will be doing a plan with me. I simply just sat down and wrote out everything I needed to write on my post-it or my index card like I did before and just filled in my planner this week. I wanted this video to be a video where we can both sit down and just plan, have a, calming, peaceful time just planning the next week for homeschool. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Although I clearly stated a calming video, the reason I'm doing this voiceover is because my house is filled with kids and a whole bunch of TVs on. So the only way for me to create a calming vibe is by doing this voiceover and adding a little bit of music. So enjoy. Here I'm showing you a few books that I found in my personal library that I am trying to connect to the different lesson plans for the week. When picking a read aloud for the day, I try to pick a book that is not too excessive on days that we have a lot of reading in the actual curriculum. So here you'll probably see me switching around the books and what days I think is best to read them out to her. This book here I can read, Danny and the Dinosaur, was kind of long. So when looking at the other books like this one, I noticed that on this specific day we're probably going to have a long read aloud. So eventually I end up changing the read alouds around to make things easier and more calming for homeschool, especially for my 4 year old. I'm pretty sure sometimes she doesn't want to sit down for long periods of time and just listen to me read out, long paragraphs or a long book. about the noise in the background, guys. As you can see, the calmness is done, it's finished. So, as you can see here, Monday through Wednesday has been all completed. I have work and assignment for each subject section, but as you can see, Thursday and Friday is empty because I don't have anything else in the workbooks to enter. So I'm trying to use the books that I have left over. I decided on Dive Dolphin and Bee Dance. And then I was trying to see if I can find anything online that would be related to these specific animals just to fulfill the rest of the week. I did not put anything in. I didn't write anything into the planner at this moment because I was still doing some research on what I was going to supplement for what was missing. So I found this craft on Pinterest. It's an easy, simple craft. You just need a piece of paper. Doesn't have to be craft paper, and you just draw out a D. For this specific activity, I was going to use a dinosaur that we have, where she was going to dip the dinosaur's feet in paint and just put the prints all around the D. So I'm going to cut it out for her so it's simple for her to use. She'll have the shape of the D, and just make sure to put something under it so that when they're stamping the dinosaur feet or whatever it is that they're painting, it won't get on any of your surfaces. Here I'm getting back on Pinterest. I'm telling you, Pinterest will be your best friend when planning crafts. I was trying to find something that she would do independently. Wasn't really finding anything that I think she would enjoy that she would do by herself. So I decided to pick the one where it's her handprint, and just to connect that with the book about the duck. I can't remember, duck on a bicycle, something like that. Um, I think she would enjoy it. I usually try to find things that she can do on her own, but I guess it's okay. Okay, guys, so we have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining. If you've watched till the end, I really appreciate it. I'm thankful for you guys. Don't leave just yet. I have added a couple of clips at the end of the video for you guys to see. Just clips of Nia doing some work, and can't wait to see you guys again. Good job.
Why does it sound like that?
Because you're pressing hard, probably.
Oops.
Good job. It's okay.
Just leave it like that?
It's okay.
Where's the top?
Just finish it though, right here. Good job. Let's start reading. I have a dog named Digger.
Digger.
I'll tell you how he got his name. It all started in our backyard. On Saturdays, Dad digs holes to plant flowers in the garden, and I teach Digger tricks.